this out. It uses 4 kings. We have the king of spades, king of diamonds, king of hearts, and the king of clubs. You would ask them to check out the box, make sure the box is completely empty. The reason why is we're going to deposit the 4 kings inside the box, right about here. So we'll place those inside. We also need another card for this. Let's use, well, everybody knows this card. They, of course, turn that card over. That's the Joker, okay? So we're going to try something with the Joker and the kings inside the box. We'll take the Joker, put it on the outside of the deck. So we have the Joker and the kings. Watch.
How did he do it?
Now inside, in their hands, 1 card.
See, they're all different?
Yeah.
Cool. All of them. You ready? 4 aces?
We're ready.
Yes. All right, check this out. I have a few random cards. I'm just gonna drop them like this, like on top of the aces. So you don't need to remember what they are.
All right.
It's just that they're random. And you can see the ace of spades there, yeah?
Yes.
I'm gonna cover it like this. Do me a favor, take your hand and just cover it. Perfect. That's all you gotta do, all right? We're gonna take a few more here, okay? Watch. Which ace do you want to start with?
We'll start with the clubs.
Ace of clubs first, right? The middle? Watch the ace of clubs, ready? This is gonna happen fast, ready? Watch the ace of clubs. Now remember, it has 3 random cards. 1, 2, 3. Watch the ace.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I'll do it again.
Oh my gosh, what the freak?
Bobby, which one do you want to use next?
I want to do the hearts.
You want to do hearts next? All right, watch the ace of hearts. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see
watch.
it good.
Ready? Watch the ace of hearts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh!
Being ace the first time. Oh
All right, we'll get to
Oh my
diamonds
God.
next.
Yeah.
All right, diamonds next.
Stop. Okay, I'm watching your hands.
Marissa,
This time,
I'm watching your hands.
I'm gonna leave it face up this time. So